Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You should confirm your AdSense is approved and matches your legal name and country. This avoids payment holds. Next, complete your payment profile with a bank account and tax form. For U.S. creators, include Form 1099 when required, and reach the payment threshold, commonly 00. Place ads immediately on compliant pages, using responsive ad units and correct ad code, and make sure you have a visible privacy notice. Once done, AdSense will start recording earnings toward payment. Now optimize and verify everything so payments flow reliably. Verify your bank details and enter the PIN mailer from AdSense. Payments fail if verification is incomplete. Improve RPM by increasing CTR with relevant content, strategic ad placement, and faster pages. Make sure the user experience stays good. Link Google Analytics to reconcile traffic and revenue, and check your monthly balance regularly. Once you monitor trends, adjust placements and content to stabilize earnings, and avoid sudden declines before payout time. When your balance meets the payment threshold, Google issues payouts on its scheduled monthly cycle. Note cutoff dates and processing times for your bank. If a hold appears, address the cause quickly. Update tax info, complete identity verification, or investigate invalid activity flags. If payments are blocked, review AdSense policy violations, gather evidence, and submit an appeal with clear documentation. Make sure to keep correspondence records and check the payment history. This helps resolve disputes faster and restores payout flow.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.